Today, we are showing cases high-efficiency horizontal leakage pumps, engineered for a river water intake project in the Middle East. With a capacity of 5,000 cubic meters per hour and a 30-meter head, each unit delivers outstanding hydraulic performance, reaching an efficiency of up to 89%. Manufactured in compliance with ISO 5199. Those pumps are built for reliability, durability, and long-term operation. From precision machining and assembly to comprehensive performance testing, every pump is carefully inspected to meet the highest quality standards before shipment. Credo Pump, your reliable partner for major water supply projects.